Introduction to Classes and Objects.
Classes and objects are two core concepts in object-oriented programming. If you're learning coding, understanding their difference is essential. Think of classes as blueprints and objects as the actual things created from those blueprints. Let's break down what each term means and see how they work together in simple, real-world terms.
What is a class?
A class is like a template or blueprint for creating objects. It defines what properties and behaviors those objects will have. For example, you might have a class called car that describes features like color, make, and speed. But a class by itself doesn't represent a real usable thing until you make an object from it.
What is an object?
The object is an actual instance created from a class. If a car class is the blueprint, then a specific car, like a red Toyota Camry, is an object. Each object can have its own unique data based on the class structure. In programming, you create objects so you can work with real data and behaviors.
How classes and objects work together.
Classes and objects work hand in hand. First, you define a class with its properties and actions. Next, you use the class to create objects, each with their own individual values. This lets you organize your code, group related data, and reuse code efficiently. It's like using a cookie cutter class to make cookies, objects.
Simple code example.
Here's a quick example in Python. Class car, def init self-color equals color. My car, car blue. In this example, car is the class. My car is an object created from that class with the color set to blue.
Summary.
To recap, classes are blueprints, and objects are the real items you build from those blueprints. Understanding this difference is fundamental to organizing and writing clean code in object-oriented programming. Practice creating both, and you'll quickly see how powerful and flexible this approach can be.